Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. I wanted to make a really quick video for you guys. This video is for those that have a side business, t-shirt or otherwise. These tips in here will help you in any business venture that you are starting. In this quick video, I'm telling you not to chase the money and what you should be doing instead to get more sales in the future. So instead of chasing the money, what you should do is change your focus. And I know a lot of you are thinking, wait a minute, isn't business about making money? Well, your business should make money, but the main purpose of your business shouldn't be to make money. So what should it be? The answer to this question is value. And why value and not chasing the money? Well, because if you chase the money, you're bound to make bad choices. So at the beginning of every business, you're going to start making very little money, especially in the print-on-demand business. And if you're chasing the money, you might stop and not continue before you get to a point where you're going to make a lot of money. So if you chase the money, you're going to get frustrated because you really don't have any control of how many sales you're going to make. So what you can control is what you do, how you do it, when you do it, and the value you provide to others. So this is the secret. You need to provide value to other people, a lot of people. And the more value you provide, the better. Just remember that people buy because of value. Think about the last things you've bought. Think about if you upgraded your phone. The reason you upgraded your phone is because you value the upgrades on the phone. So the aha moment here is if you make more designs that bring value, you will get more sales and then you will get more money. If you're thinking just about the money, you're skipping over the most important parts. So the key to wealth for any business is to provide more value than anyone else. Don't chase the money. The money will come to you as you provide value to others. That is it for this video. Leave in the comments and answer this question of the day. How are you providing value to others? Let me know in the comments. And thanks so much for staying all the way to the end. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one.